Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're making another 2-peg rubber band bracelet, this time around a headband. Yeah, a headband. It's basically your most basic rubber band bracelet with a headband in the middle, just like so. These headbands are super cheap. I got these at the General Family Tree dollar store for $1, and they're all different counts. I used the white one for this, and the black one for this, and this is what we're gonna make, basically this bracelet. But see, paired with a large jump ring, this becomes a bracelet all by itself. But make sure that it won't be too tight or too loose. If so, I have a 2-peg rubber band and paracord bracelet coming up that'll get you covered. So let's start. We need rubber bands, a headband. I'm going to use this purple one, I guess. And this is a hook and an easy bracelet maker. This is just a regular easy bracelet maker. I've just clipped off 4 pegs and filed the edge a little so that you can see it easier. You don't have to. And remember, if you can't find an easy bracelet maker, any 2-peg combination will work. I will start by placing a jump ring on the headband. Twist open your jump ring open. Pull it through your headband and close it for now. Then take 2 rubber bands. Put a rubber band over your easy bracelet maker and slip your headband through there. Then bring another rubber band through. And I like to twist them back. And then pull one above the other. And just keep on doing it. In the beginning, it's not going to look quite right, but it just hasn't adjusted yet. So, of course, pull that down. And keep on hooking. I'm going to pull this up just a little to adjust the hook and to adjust the headband a little closer to the jump ring. Okay. If you need to, just put in several at a time, or one at a time if you like. Just try not to get them too tangled. Pull it down, twist back, back. Pull it over. See what's coming along? You might want to untwist these. See how I twisted it just a little? It just untwists pretty easy. Or not, it sort of readjusts by itself. Now, you might want to also here pull this just a little more and just adjust here. Most of this will adjust by itself. The other option that you have is you can actually just do it this way. You can decide to to hook your rubber bands on this way. Get on. Pull it over. I'm going to put it back in there. Keep on going. So. Once you've got some of this on the bottom, use that to help you pull these down and adjust. Like so. So folks, we're almost at the end. So let's put just one more. And there you go. See how that's coming out? Very nice. You could just pull it, sort of adjust by itself. Now finally, the final end, you pull one off the peg and you pull it over the headband. And pull the other one off. Pull it through. And do the same. Just a little, and ta-da! All you gotta do open your jump ring, close it, and ta-da! There you go. Adjust if you must. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. Why not subscribe? Bye-bye. Till the next one.